Guys, and welcome to today's Tech Tuesday tip. Today we are going to learn how to use an iPad, which is what you guys are currently seeing, to upload a scanned document directly to Google Drive, and then to show you as well how to have students turn this in through the Canvas app. So on here, down at the bottom, I'm inside of Google Drive. So I just opened my Google Drive, and then down in the bottom right-hand corner down here is the scan icon. So I'm gonna click scan. I've got a document on my desk that was printed. It automatically finds the document for me. I could then do the second page of this and it will still put it on the same document. If it doesn't automatically take the photo for you, you can force it by clicking on just the picture icon. And you can even throw in things like a sticky note or a note from a student. And it will just throw those types of things in there. So I've got the 3 files down here at the bottom. From those 3 files, I'm now gonna click down here where it says Save 3. Once I choose that, I'm then gonna choose the name of where I'm going to save this to. And it's currently loading, so I have to wait for it to finish loading. Here we go. I'm gonna change the name of this to be a Python list operation, since that's the name of it. I then will click Done up in the top right up here. I am now ready to choose my location. So I'm gonna save this to the coaching endorsement because I'm gonna show you how to turn in a file. So I'm gonna click Save. It's going to now upload, so it's currently processing that Python list operations, and now you're ready to turn it in. Now, because I am a student in the coaching class for Jordan School District, I'm actually gonna show you how to turn in this one that I previously saved to. So concept is the same. You're gonna click on the 3 dots. I'm gonna click those 3 dots, and then I'm gonna choose this option right here for downloading. So I'm gonna choose download. It's gonna take a second for it to choose its options. And then if the student has successfully had the Canvas student app on their iPad, it will show up in this list. If they don't have it there, they're gonna have to download the app. I will then choose Canvas student. I'm gonna turn in this PDF that I made of the JSD coaching cycle. I'm gonna choose the course that I want. So this is what students have to do. They're gonna have to click there. From there, they're gonna choose the name of the class. Now, this particular class for me was the Foundations of Coaching in Instructional Technology. I then will choose my assignment that I'm turning this in for. This is called the Coaching Cycle Project. So I will click part 1. And then if I want to add in any additional comments, or if your students want to add any additional comments, they can. Then you would the student would click submit. It's now going to take a second for it to upload. As soon as it's done, it'll say submission successful. And this is how students can take pictures of any type of file. It could be a picture. You could turn it in art this way. You could do this for a diorama that maybe they did at home, and they could turn it in by taking a photo of it and doing it with a scan if need be. They can just choose that option. Anyway, really cool options there. Hopefully this helps some of you with turning in assignments directly into Canvas, but also scanning directly to your Google Drive. Hope this was helpful. Thanks, guys.